रघुपति राघव राजा राम, पतित पावन सीताराम। रघुपति राघव राजा राम, पतित पावन सीताराम। सीताराम सीताराम भज प्यारे तू सीताराम। सीताराम सीताराम भज प्यारे तू सीताराम। रघुपति राघव राजा राम, पतित पावन सीताराम। मुख में तुलसी घट में राम, जब बोलो तब सीताराम। मुख में तुलसी घट में राम, जब बोलो तब सीताराम। कौशल्या का वाला राम, दशरथ जी का प्यारा राम। रघुपति राघव राजा राम, पतित पावन सीताराम। दशरथ नंदन राजा राम, जानकी वल्लभ सीताराम। दशरथ नंदन राजा राम, जानकी वल्लभ सीताराम। हनुमान के स्वामी राम, जय रघुनंदन जय सिया राम। रघुपति राघव राजा राम, पतित पावन सीताराम। रात को निंदिया दिन को काम, कभी भजोगे राम का नाम। रात को निंदिया दिन को काम, कभी भजोगे राम का नाम। करते रहिए अपने काम, लेते रहिए हरि का नाम। रघुपति राघव राजा राम, पतित पावन सीताराम। सीताराम सीताराम भज प्यारे तू सीताराम। रघुपति राघव राजा राम, पतित पावन सीताराम। जय जय राम श्री राम जय राम 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 जय जय राम
Happiness. Happiness is when what you think, what you say, and what you do are in harmony. With this impactful quotation, let me wish you all a very bright and beautiful morning ahead. This is Miss Soumya Subhasmita, a proud student of a proud, independent, democratic, and secular nation beautifully named as India, currently studying in standard 10th in Takshashila Residential School and feeling very elevated to share my venerations on this auspicious occasion of Gandhiji Jayanti. Among the thousands of patriots who fought for the freedom of our beloved Mother India, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Yes, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, this is a name which needs no introduction at all. In fact, who knew that this great soul who was born about 151 years ago at Porbandar, who was an extremely shy kid at his childhood times and often named as Munya by his schoolmates, will be titled with honor as Mahatma by another Nobel laureate, Mr. Navindranath Tagore. You will not be that amazed by listening the fact that he took a great jump from a shy yet talented lawyer at London to one of the most famous and renowned barrister in South Africa, where he earned around $15,000 per annum, which can estimated to 10 lakh rupees according to the current scenario of economical statistics. But from a shy student to an idol giving power-packed quotations like do or die, from a western outfit wearing Indian to a traditional dhoti wearer, and from one of the strongest contender for Britishers to the father of the nation, always followed his values of truth and non-violence. Now, on his birth anniversary, what we all really need to emphasize on is using Gandhi Niti is first of all inner peace, second of all is self-sufficiency, and third and the most important one is that the willpower to take our nation to the topmost level and win over all the barriers and obstacles whichever come in our place. With this belief that everything will improve very soon and will be all sorted as soon as possible, I conclude my speech with this powerful message, that is, the future depends upon what we do today. I would like to repeat this: the future depends upon what you do today. So let us observe the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi, which is also observed as International Day of Non-Violence all over the world with full enthusiasm. Thank you all for your patient hearing and have a great day ahead. Namaste. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Good morning everyone, myself Ms. Subhashri Sabat of Standard 10th and I am belonging from Takishar Residential School. Today we all have decided to celebrate the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. I hope you all are fine and safe in your homes. Because of his struggle for Indian independence, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose had given him the name of the father of the nation, that is Mahatma Gandhi. In India, Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated every year in the 2nd October to pay a tribute to him, who devoted his life for the Indian independence by using a strong weapon. Do you know what is called? Non-violence. Not only in India, in fact all over the world, it is celebrated as International Day of Non-Violence. And sometimes we call Mahatma Gandhi as Bapu. Today is a day of non-violence, which was founded by Gandhiji. And do you know where Gandhiji was born? Gandhiji was born in Gujarat in Porbandar, a remote town in the western coast to the Konkan coast of India. His name was, however, spread to every corner of the world. Hollywood recognized his contribution by making a film on his life, which was sent on to win several Oscar awards. Gandhiji believed in non-violence and love. He was against the untouchability and source of the injustice. He lived a saintly life. His heart always beat for poor. He dreamed a Ram Rajya where every people would live in the peace. He was against the modern civilization. He said that all the men and women are equal. He had freed India by non-cooperation and civil disobedience movement. Gandhiji proved to the world that weapon of the non-violence was the strongest ever weapon to fight against the mightiest of the mighty. The might British power has to yield before Gandhiji, whom they found a force of union. A speech is not enough to speak about the Mahatma Gandhi's values and deeds, but we as the future of the country, we can honor him by living our life with his principles of truth, peace, non-violence, and lead our country to an incredible nation. Giving these views, I am ending my speech by giving thanks to all. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Respected Principal, good morning teachers and my dear students. Today I am here with you to say a few words on Mahatma Gandhi on his 158th birthday, which was being celebrated from 2009 to 2028. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 2nd October. It is one of the official declared national day as well as non-violence day internationally. It is marked by prayer, services and tributes all over India, including at Gandhi's memorial at Rajghat in New Delhi, where he was cremated. This day is for remembering his teaching and values, which he contributed to the society, and to understand the sacrifices he made for the freedom of our country by arranging different struggle movements. Various institutions like school, colleges and government offices organize different programs to pay tribute to our father of our nation, Mahatma Gandhi. People clean their schools, offices, society on this day as he was the person to start the cleanliness socially. Mahatma Gandhi gave the idea of non-violence and peace. He always protested against bad habits like consuming alcohol, robbery, etc. He was a renowned person and was a great freedom fighter who brought freedom and gave us independence to our country. Thank you.
दे दी हमें आजादी खड़ग बिना ढाल, दे दी हमें आजादी खड़ग बिना ढाल, साबरमती के संत तूने कर दिया कमाल, साबरमती के संत तूने कर दिया कमाल. Really, it's a miracle without using any weapon to throw out the most powerful Britishers from our country and achieve freedom. And it's a very proud moment that today we are going to celebrate the birth anniversary of that powerful man. Respected chief guest, respected principals, honorable all the teachers and my dear students. Today we are gathering here to celebrate the birth anniversary of the pivotal soul named father of our nation, Mahatma Gandhi. And we have to be discuss the struggleful and inspiring life of Mahatma Gandhi. And it's a very proud moment for all the Indians we have born on this land, and we have got the opportunity to celebrate the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. He is not a man of India, he is a man of the world. And the 2nd October is celebrating at the day of non-violence also, because that man is the propounder of non-violence, and with the help of non-violence we can achieve freedom and the world, total world honor that the policy of non-violence spreaded by Mahatma Gandhi. And most of the countries also inspired on this policy of non-violence, like Martin Luther, Nelson Mandela, Albert Einstein, all those great personalities also honored the policy of non-violence, and it's the gift of Mahatma Gandhi. And for that non-violence, without any weapon, we have achieved our freedom. Gandhiji always is the man who hate the sin, not the sinner, and always followed and always request the people that you have to also follow the policy of non-violence and establish the Ram Rajya, what's the dream of Ram, not to spread violence. And it's very painful for us. That man who spread non-violence was killed by violence by Nathuram Godse, and at that time maybe Nathuram Godse not realized that Gandhi is not a man, Gandhi is a thought, and it's not possible to kill that thought. So it's a proud moment for me also that we are gathered here and we are going to celebrate the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. That's all on this short time. Thank you very much for hearing me. Thank you.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Myself Sneha Patra. Today I am going to give a speech about our second Prime Minister, Lal Bahadur Shastri Ji. There was a thought that we must fight for the peace. Bravely we fight on the war. He was born in 2nd October 1904, and his father is Sardar Prasad and his mother name is Ram Dulari Devi. He was interested in the freedom development, and he was greatly influenced by the speech of Mahatma Gandhi ji on the Banaras Hindu University. He was true admirer of Mahatma Gandhi ji and also joined the freedom movement. Because of that, he also know and believe that self-sustenance and self-reliance are the two supporters to make our nation stronger. And he was the second Prime Minister of India after the suddenly death of Jawaharlal Nehru. He was re-awarded the Bharat Ratna, and his famous slogan is Jai Jawan Jai Kisan. He also guided our country during the war between India and Pakistan in 1965. Lal Bahadur Shastri was also against the caste system, which is now privileging. He also helped in the salt satyagraha, which is conducted by the Mahatma Gandhi ji. He was dead when he was signing in the Tashkent with Pakistan. He died in 11th January 1966 by the heart attack. So there was according to him, we should believe on peace and peaceful development, not for ourselves. This is for the whole people who lived in whole the world. So thank you.
गांधी जयंती के इस पावन अवसर पर आप सभी को मेरा नमन। मैं श्वेता श्रद्धा भाव से गांधी जी के प्रति अपना आभार प्रकट करना चाहती हूँ। ली सच की लाठी उसने, तन पर भक्ति का झोला, सबक अहिंसा का सिखलाया, वाणी में अमृत उसने घोला। बापू के इस रंग में रंगकर देश का बच्चा बच्चा बोला, कर देंगे भारत माँ पर अर्पण, हम अपनी जान को हम श्रद्धा से याद करेंगे गांधी के बलिदान को।
सभी को मेरा सादर प्रणाम। आज के इस शुभ अवसर पर मैं सागर आप सभी को एक कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रहा हूँ। चरखे के ताने बने से उसने भारत को इतिहास रचा, हिंदू मुस्लिम सिख ईसाई सबको एक विश्वास रचा, सहम गए विदेशी फिरंगी लड़ने का अभ्यास रचा, मान गए अंग्रेजी शासक बापू के पहचान को, हम श्रद्धा से याद करेंगे गांधी के बलिदान को।
According to Mahatma Gandhi, the best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others. It means the service is a fulfilling activity that can help to see that you are not defined by your identity, but you are defined by your ability, sympathy, and connectivity. Good morning, everyone. Myself D. Shubham Kumar from class 9 from Taxila Residential School. Representing a short speech on Mahatma Gandhi. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, who was honorific Mahatma called by Rabindranath Tagore, was an Indian lawyer, politician, and anti-colonial nationalist. He came into this world on 2nd October 1869 in the city of Porbandar, Gujarat. He was only 13 years old when he got married to Kasturba Gandhi. After passing his matriculation exam, he went to England to study law. He returned to India as an advocate. And then after returning to India, he started helping Indians who had suffered a lot from British rule. He had started many movements such as civil disobedience movement, non-cooperation movement, salt satyagraha movement, quit India movement against the British Empire. And as a result, on 15th August 1947, India became independent from the British rule. He always believed in non-violence. According to him, non-violence is the weapon of a strong. At last, Mahatma Gandhi was assassinated on 30th January 1948 by Nathuram Godse, who has shot him. By remembering him, we celebrate this Gandhi Jayanti to pay tribute to this great leader. Jai Hind.
मेरा नाम साइद समन कक्षा 2 से मैं आज आपको एक कविता बोलना चाहती हूँ। बापू भोले भाले थे, हम सबके रखवाले थे, हमें आजादी दिलवा कर स्वयं कष्ट से जाते थे। हम भी अच्छा काम करेंगे, खूब पढ़ेंगे, खूब लिखेंगे, बापू जैसा काम करेंगे, दुनिया में ऊंचा नाम करेंगे। हैप्पी गांधी। मैं हूँ झांसी की रानी, मेरा नाम है लक्ष्मी बाई। ये धरती Gowda. I am Bengali girl. Namaste, my honorable principal and respected teacher and my dear friend. I am Shibanshi Sarangi, class 1B. On this 150th Gandhi Jayanti, I am going to enact Mahatma Gandhi. Raghupati Raghav Raja Ram, Patita Pavana Sita Ram. I am Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, also lovingly called as Bapuji or Father of the Nation or Rashtrapita. I was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat. I am devotee of truth and non-violence. By the weapon of truth and non-violence, I fought against the British rule. In this my birth anniversary, I wish my loving countrymen live happily and peacefully. Jai Hind, Bharat Mata ki Jai. Thank you. Respected all me in Satya Prakash Pradhan 101. आज मैं गांधी जी के बारे में कुछ बोलना चाहती हूँ। इसमें कोई गलती हुई तो जरूर माफ कर देना। गांधी जी का पूरा नाम मोहनदास करमचंद गांधी था। वो राष्ट्रपिता एवं बापू के नाम से जाने जाते हैं। उसकी जन्म 2 अक्टूबर 1869 के गुजरात पोरबंदर में हुआ था। उसके पिता का नाम करमचंद गांधी और उसके माता का नाम तिलीबाई था। महात्मा गांधी सत्य और अहिंसा के पुजारी थे। उसकी हत्या 30 जनवरी 1948 में हुआ था। महात्मा गांधी एक महापुरुष है। इतना ही कहकर मैं अपने को शेष करता हूँ। Good morning to all. My name is Chaitanya Beras of Class 1. I will present acting of Bhagati. जिंदाबाद। हमारे मटर किसी तू मान ले चले नहीं। अल्टी अपने बात सुनाने हैं। उन बैरों तो सुना लीजिए। डॉन और पिस्टल जरूरत होती है जब पड़ोसी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिन में है। सम्राटो भाइयों का नाच हो। बम और पिस्टल टंटी नहीं लगते। टंटी की तलवार रोके धार भलाने वाले पत्थर फल रगड़ी जाती है। इम्तियाज जिंदाबाद, इम्तियाज जिंदाबाद, इम्तियाज जिंदाबाद। थैंक यू।
स्टार्ट। आज सरोजिनी
नायडू का प्ले करने जा रहा हूँ।
मेरा
असली नाम है सूर्योदय चट्टोपाध्याय।
पिता
मेरे पिता का नाम है रघुनाथ उपाध्याय। मेरा माता का नाम है भारत सुंदरी देवी। मैं एक फ्रीडम फाइटर हूँ।
मुझे लोग
भारत का बुलबुल भी कहते हैं। जय हिंद।
नमस्कार।
My name is Susan Kumar Gowda, class 2. ए भारतवासियों, अहिंसा के मार्ग में चलना, भूला मत बोलना, भूला मत देखना, भूला मत सुनना। लघुपति लाजाला पति का पावन सीताला। लघुपति लाजाला पति का पावन सीताला। Thank you.
Good morning teachers, good morning friends. Pati Raja Ram Patitivaram Sitaram. My name is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. I am Miss. My father name is Karamchand Gandhi. My mother name is Puthubai. I am both in October 2, 1869. You know me as Bapu. I love my India. You love our country. Respect our country. Bande Mataram. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
मैं हूँ लक्ष्मीबाई। ये प्रतिज्ञा करती हूँ कि जब तक मेरे शरीर में रक्त है तब तक मैं झांसी की सेवा करूंगी। जब बेटी उठ खड़ी होती है तब विजय बड़ी होती है। हम लड़ेंगे और छत्रपति शिवाजी की स्वराज के सपनों को पुनर्जीवित करेंगे। मैं झांसी नहीं दूंगी। मुझे भी चाहिए, आपको भी चाहिए। बस इतना फर्क, आपको राज करना है, मुझे अपनों का सेवा करना है। मैं वो मिसाल बनूंगा जो हर भारतीय के अंदर आजादी का भूख बन के दे। हर हर महादेव, हर हर महादेव। गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स, माय नेम इज के गार्गी। मैं आपका हिंदी टीचर हूँ। मैं आज आपको हिंदी पढ़ाऊंगी। क्या हिंदी? सब अटेंडेंस डालने के लिए रेडी हो जाओ बच्चों। रोल नंबर 1, रोल नंबर 2, रोल नंबर 3। चलो अटेंडेंस बाद में लेते हैं। बच्चों मैं आज आपको एक हिंदी गाना सिखाऊंगी। सब ध्यान से सुनो। बच्चों सब मत मचाओ, ध्यान से सुनो। आलू का चालू बेटा कहाँ गए थे? बैंगन के टोकरी में सो रहे थे। बैंगन ने लात मारा रो रहे थे। मम्मी ने प्यार किया हंस रहे थे। बच्चों घर में बड़े लोग के बाद कौन कौन मानते हो? अरे वाह, सब तो मानते हैं। वेरी गुड बच्चों। आज का होमवर्क ये है, ये राइम्स बाहर करके आना। मैं कल पूछूंगी। बाय एवरीवन, हैव अ नाइस डे। सतपथी, मैं स्टैंडर्ड 2 में पढ़ता हूँ। आज मैं नेताजी सुभाष चंद्र बोस का प्ले करने वाला हूँ।
के झुंड बाज जंग की घड़ी की तुम हार दो घड़ी की तुम हार दो शान या की जान पे उतार दो प्रचंड प्राण दे जो मन करे सो प्राण की पुकार है ये भागवत का सार है तो वीर का प्रमाण है हो या पांडवों का नीड़ हो जो लड़ सका है वो ही तो महान है किसी को कोई नहीं है ठोकरों पे मार दो मौत अंत है नहीं तो मौत से भी क्यों डरे जाके आसमान में दहाड़ दो आरंभ है प्रचंड बोले मस्तकों के झुंड आज जंग जान का हो दान उतार दो आरंभ है प्रचंड भाव वो भाव तुम ये सोच लो भाव या की भाव तुम ये सोच लो या की पूरे भाल पर जला रहे विजय कला
Class standard 2. डॉक्टर विषय में मैं भाई बोलूंगा डॉक्टर से लाइफ इवेंट टू बी ए डॉक्टर और डॉक्टर आ सेकंड got 4 and then doctor had the in pinning to 2.10. Doctor of to work. They went to and solved the problem. मैं बड़ा हो गए मैं डॉक्टर बनूंगा सारी देशों का रक्षा करूंगा झांसी की रानी का कैरेक्टर लिख रही हूँ मैं हूँ झांसी की रानी भारत मेरा देश है भारत मेरा शान है उस चंद पैसों के लिए और उस फिरौतियों के लिए मैं कभी नहीं दूंगी जय भारत जय माता जी की जय हो बाय बाय एवरीबॉडी I am India soldier I serve my country even sacrifice my life I never allowed an terrorist inside my country. I want to become an honest soldier. I love my motherland. Jai Hind. My name is Jagdish Sahu, class standard 2, section B. Laghupati Lagha Bala Jalama.
समझ रखो। जय हिंद। थैंक यू मैम। बाय मैम।
आप सबको मेरी तरफ से गांधी जयंती की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। यह शुभ अवसर पर मैं एक कविता प्रस्तुत करना चाहती हूँ। शीर्षक है हम श्रद्धा से याद करेंगे गांधी के बलिदान को। ली सच की लाठी जिसने तन पर भक्ति का चोला, सबक अहिंसा का सिखलाया, पानी में उसने अमृत घोला। बापों के इस रंग में रंग कर देश का बच्चा बच्चा बोला, कर देंगे भारत माँ पर अर्पण हम अपनी जान को। हम श्रद्धा से याद करेंगे गांधी के बलिदान को। चरखे के ताने बाने से उसने भारत का इतिहास रचा। हिंदू मुस्लिम सिख ईसाई सबने एक विश्वास रचा। सहम गया विदेशी फिरंगी लड़ने का अभ्यास रचा। मान गया अंग्रेज शासक बापों के पहचान को। हम श्रद्धा से याद करेंगे गांधी के पहचान को। धोती वाले बाबा की यह कैसे एक लड़ाई थी। ना गोले बरसे ना बंदूक कभी चलाई थी। सत्य अहिंसा के बल पर दुश्मन को धूल चटाया था। मन की ताकत से ही उसने रोका हर तूफान को। हम श्रद्धा से याद करेंगे गांधी के बलिदान को। हम श्रद्धा से याद करेंगे गांधी के बलिदान को। धन्यवाद।
मैं गांधी हूँ लेकिन सत्ता का भूखा नहीं। देश का वफादार हूँ, परतंत्रता मुझे मंजूर नहीं। चाहो जो कहना है कह दो, मैंने कहकर नहीं करके दिखलाया है। आज जो स्वतंत्र भूमि मिली है तुम्हें, कईयों ने उसे जान देकर छुड़ाया है। आसान है गलती निकालना, तकलीफ़ों के लिए दोष दे जाना। मैंने अंग्रेजों को बाहर फेंका था, तुम कूड़ा तो फेंक कर दिखलाओ। हमने स्वतंत्र भारत दिया था, तुम स्वच्छ भारत तो दे जाओ। भले मत कहो इसे गांधी जयंती, इसे स्वच्छ भारत का आवरण चढ़ाओ।
Dear students of Takshila Residential School and my dear teachers, today is an auspicious day, a great human being born. Today is 2nd October, Mahatma Gandhi 150th birth anniversary. A great humanitarian, a messiah of peace. He experimented his life with truth, ahimsa, and non-violence. He organized the people of our country to fight against the mighty Britishers, and we got the independence. He argued for the religious harmony and propagated women's empowerment. On this occasion, we must pledge to obey his ideals and take the nation to greater heights. Dear students, today is another great leader also born. His name is Sri Lal Bahadur Shastri. He was the second Prime Minister of India, born in 1904 in Begusarai, a simple man with high values. He gave the call, the Jai Jawan and Jai Kishan. On this occasion, we must pay respects, and I personally bow my head before the great leaders. They are the pathfinders who must obey their rules and values. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Respected Principal Sir, teachers and my dear students, it gives me immense pleasure to speak few words on this special occasion. Well, I would start with a special quote of Gandhiji that whenever you are confronted with an opponent, conquer him with love. Mahatma Gandhi is admired throughout the world over as one of the history's most transformational and inspirational figure. Throughout the life, we found that he fought bravely and fearlessly for the right and dignity of his countrymen, whose constant and unwavering promoting non-violence as a tool to win over hearts and minds has left a deep impression in the world. While we are celebrating the 151st birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi, it is also the 116th birth anniversary of another stalwart of freedom struggle, Lal Bahadur Shastri Ji. A man with lot of courage, boldness, truthfulness, was also the second Prime Minister of our country. He brought in Green Revolution and White Revolution. And Shastri Ji, right from childhood, we found that he always had lot of boldness and self-respect. With this, I would like to bow my head in front of these two leaders. And at the same time, I thank all the participants of today's program for contributing their lovely speech on this occasion. I would first like to thank our students, Soumya, Sagar, Shweta, Sneha, Shubham, Sai Shri. At the same time, I thank our principal sir for a very inspirational speech, Ujishni ma'am and Kasturi ma'am for the lovely speech. I thank Suchishmita ma'am for the lovely voice she had provided us, Supra ma'am for a lovely poem, and overall I thank the whole school for participating on the online competition that was held in the last 1 week to celebrate the 150th birth anniversary of Gandhiji. I thank everyone who participated in the fancy dress, quiz competition and draw and painting competition. I feel it gives me immense pleasure to see you participating enthusiastically in the program. Thank you students, teachers. I thank everyone on this auspicious occasion. Jai Hind.